Hey guys, it's Mickey from It's a Southern Life, and I am going to repot some succulents I found today. I'm really excited I found them. They're hard to find in my area. These are called string of pearls, and the things that I used were, I used 2 plants because they were kind of small. I like terracotta pots just because I like the patina it has on it and the way they age. And then you also need some cactus or succulent mix. And then I just used a little stick to help mash everything in. The first thing I do is I go ahead and put a little bit of the succulent or cactus mix inside of the pot because you need something for the plants to grow in, so you want to put that mix underneath it. So here is the tricky part. You need to be very careful with these. What I do is first I squeeze down at the bottom, and then I kind of tip it on its side, and I just pull the container off. And then I took a little bit off of the ends just so I could fit it into the pot and actually stimulate some root growth. And I just did the same thing with the other one. I noticed that this one was a little bit higher, so I am taking off some more dirt just so it can go into the pot better, and you have a little bit of an open lip so water won't run out when you put water in it. Now I'm just going to make sure that there's no air pockets, and I'm going to fill in around the lip and just stuff it in a little bit. I'm going to use my fingers because it's you need to be just real gentle with these. I'm just going to lightly pick them up and then just plop them back over. Very gently, a very gentle plop. And if you notice those white things, those are the flowers. They smell so good, and I was really happy to find some with flowers because that means that there's going to be new growth and that they're healthy. So I am just lightly dusting off some of the dirt on the top, and still just making sure that there's no air pockets, and if there are, just making sure I am filling them up. And I find the easiest way to water plants like this is just to use a syringe, so you know exactly where the water's going and you're not going to water too much with this method.